Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access if needed. Begin by removing the lower basket. The salt cap is found here on this Bosch model. To remove, simply twist the cap anti-clockwise. Unpackage your new salt cap and seal. If the new seal is separate, attach it around the bottom of the new salt cap as shown. To attach your new salt cap, place it on and twist clockwise until it can go no further. Reinsert your lower basket. And that's it! Your new dishwasher lid salt cap and seal is all set to go.